Hi, Ronnie.
Hello,
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm also fine. I question you and answer to common English.
Yes, tell me.
When do you go to college?
I go at 10 a.m.
How do you get to college?
by bus.
What do you study?
I study history.
Do you have fun at college?
Yes, I do.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my office work.
Which office do you work?
I work in a bank.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy.
When is your birthday?
It is on 5th April.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, many thanks. Bye.
Our regular uploading videos on YouTube. Please subscribe our channel.